In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into your website, providing you with a seamless way to integrate scheduling capabilities into your online presence. Embedding Calendly is a great way to streamline appointment scheduling directly from your website, making it easier for your clients to book time with you. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to visit Calendly's official website. Head over to their homepage where you can access the scheduling tools you'll need. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on Continue with Google to log in quickly and securely if you have a Google account. This method is usually the easiest and fastest way to gain access to your Calendly dashboard. After logging in, pay attention to the profiles or roles suggested by your page. Choose your existing profile if you're prompted. By doing so, you ensure you're operating within the right accounts and settings. Now, look for the section where it says Event Types. This is where you can see all the different types of appointments you offer. Choose the event type that you want to embed into your website. Once you're in the Event Types section, find the option that says Add to Website. This is your gateway to embedding your scheduling tool directly onto your site. Among the options presented, select Inline Embed. This option allows the Calendly interface to be displayed directly on your web page, providing a more integrated experience for your visitors. Next up, hit Continue. This will lead you to a page where you can find the code necessary to embed Calendly. You'll want to copy code from this section. This code is essentially a short piece of HTML that you'll paste into your website's back end. Now head over to your website editor. For this walkthrough, we'll assume you're using Wix, but the same principles apply across other platforms. Go to the page where you want the scheduling tool to appear. Look for the section that allows you to add new elements or embed custom HTML. Click Embed Code, and here's where you paste the HTML code you copied from Calendly. By hitting Update or a similar save function, you integrate the scheduling tool onto the page. Finally, ensure to preview your changes before publishing. This gives you a chance to see how visitors will interact with the page. That's it. You've successfully embedded Calendly into your website. This setup not only enhances your website's functionality, but also simplifies the scheduling process for your clients, giving them a seamless and straightforward experience. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to test your newly embedded schedule to ensure it works perfectly for your needs.